rumble from the Boxer because it's not doing anything, and then a growl when you put it under load. I mean, that is what you call damn good. Never been a fan of trikes, never saw the point, but I know a lot of people do like them, and which is good. I mean, it gets people onto or out of cars, but hey, it's cool. That's a female riding it, so that's good as well. So it's getting females onto out of cars is always a good thing. And there is one of the predecessors, the 1150. The original beast. One very clean Harley. And one very stuck setup. And the good thing about being able to go around them. I'm putting the visor up because I am getting hot in here, so excuse the noise, guys. I'm going to take a little detour and see if a friend's working today or not. So there's the GS with an 1150 version Boxer engine. The 1250 that I'm riding on now is a totally enhanced version. It has new aluminium cylinder heads, completely different ECU. It has been a major change to get from the 1100, and then she was made slightly bigger with a 1200, and then to go to the 1250. They did do a lot of changes to the way that the cylinder heads were designed. So it's been a continual progression. So that is, you know, a pretty good, well, it's a pretty good indictment to a fantastic machine. So I'm going to go off through this way. And this should be fun going in this way. Provided there's nothing coming in the opposite direction. Take a shortcut through the car park. There's not a lot of people in, so we'll see what he's if he's out and about. Oh, it's their lunchtime, so there could be a lot of people actually have gone for lunch. His Ducati's there, so he is in. So because he's coming on his Ducati, that means that later he'll be up for playing. So that's what we'll do. We're going to play a bit later. On tick over, it's all good as well. And I love that. Can you see that one? When you're just not doing anything, it just it'll pull to the left. Yeah, let's go not through the autobahn. Excuse the visor slamming shut, but I said she was savage, and she was. She ripped my visor down. So I'm going to put it back up again because it's slightly warm in there. Okay. As you can see, when she wants to, there's an awful lot of power there. Fun, isn't it, being able to have a new bike and letting it run. Yeah, let's go this way. I don't know where this leads to. Would help if I was in the right gear. Oh, there's a sign saying Centrum, so this is going to take us into the centre of Ingolstadt. And the back end of the German barracks. Yeah, okay, I know where I am. sun's out, there's a lot of bikes around. A lot of scooters out. Took the wrong turn, so hey ho. It means I have to take the long way home. Oh dear. I love the way it pulls to the left. So if I drop the screen down, oh that's up, sorry. So if I drop the screen down, I should get a little bit more cool air coming up. And for those, yes, I've had things committing suicide on my windscreen. Can't help it. It's summer and I was traveling. Yep, there is a little bit more wind and that's nice. What I'll do is I'll just tuck the microphone down and protect it from the wind and see how that goes. And balance is really good. So 5 kilometers is about 3 miles an hour, and you can still keep her upright on 2 wheels without putting your feet down. Small little movements with the hands, so that's good. I'm going to take the very long way home. Actually, I'm going to take the very, very long way home because I've actually come into the wrong lane. I was just about to pop a wheelie then and decided best not. Kid in front on either his driving lesson or a driving test. Very popular in Germany onto 2 wheels, so people are enjoying 2 wheels a lot more than they seem to in a lot of the other countries, except Spain, because everybody seems to have 2 wheels in Spain. do, I'm going to take a left here, and then that'll get me back onto going in the right direction. So I'm going to turn around and go the other way. So a nice tight turn circle. Good brakes. And as soon as I can see where I'm going, I can go. Aha, after this Audi should do it. Nope.